So one of my favorite topics, as many of you may know, the mushrooms. So mushrooms are often a part of Christmas dishes, from wild mushroom tortellini to morel sauce. What would be the classic pairing with savory, earthy mushroom dishes? And 1 is an aged Barolo, 2, white Zinfandel, 3, a Euful Zinamavro, or 4, Moscato di Pantelleria. Keep in mind that I'm thinking of the savory entree that you would be pairing this wine with.
Looks like a lot of Barolo fans out there, aged Barolo fans.
And aged Barolo it's a very good choice because although an aged Barolo will still have the high tannins, but it has the delicate floral notes that will be coming out, the savory, the mushroomy aromas. It is also a perfect pairing with truffle. I see that one person answered Euful Zinamavro. That Euful Zinamavro could be slightly too powerful for the pairing. But of course, again, it is up to you what you're going to enjoy. Perhaps you like the sweet wines with your savory entrees, and you may make that choice as well. So for you, perhaps the Moscato di Pantelleria would be the one. Remember, when we're talking here, we're talking about the classic pairings, but it is always up to you what you're going to choose. All right, so the Christmas time is all about traditions in different parts of the world. So there is a tradition of Muscat de Noël, which is a young muscat released in November after the harvest. And the question is, in which wine regions? So it is a Muscat de Pont de Venise, or perhaps Muscat de Fortignon, Moscatel de Setúbal, or Muscat de Ripson.
Okay, we have several people unsure with question marks, a couple of ones, and then someone guessing number 2, and then shrugging shoulders as well. So you stumped the crowd with this one. What's the right answer, Monika?
The right answer is 4, Muscat de Ripson. So this is a French tradition. It is the young muscat that's served for the purpose of serving it right at Christmas. So it's really floral and fruity, and it's released very early, so it can be sold and distributed right before the Christmas time.